Lamsuka thukri career nai tungnai jotto bayap sungno hanyu hai tinini current affairs sessiono o current affairs rok boro nangnai hingke bwskango phai tungnai jotto competitive exam no nangnai o haite bo daily ni current affairs tei Tripura Static GK rok manan bagai chini channel bai krangui tongdi bell icon chini kisa subscribe khai tondi tai like share bo kharidi omoni monthly PDF bo free rejago chin telegram channel ni bisingtei norok chin telegram no join khai free PDF naimano o mas ni PDF hingke October ni 1 tarikh jangnai tai light thangjak man rong hingke already rejak tongo telegram channel o norok free download khainai mano o video ni description o link rinai telegram ni faidingke tini first question nalaisinai tini first question angka which state government has launched a rainwater harvesting scheme named Chata India ni bo state ni government rainwater harvesting scheme launch khaikya I scheme ni mungkha Chata omni right answer angka B Odisha. Next question. Switzerland ranked top in Human Development Index. What is the rank of India? Switzerland top khaikya number 1 o Human Development Index o aro India ni rank bsek ni sungoro omni right answer angka D 132 rank India ni hingke Switzerland hingke top number 1 o. Next question. Nixoid 2.0 portal which has launched recently is associated with which disease? Nixoid 2.0 portal or scheme launch khaijaka recently ono abo disease ni related hinchungoro omni right answer angka B tuberculosis TB mani a disease. Next question. Which state celebrates September 9 as Himalaya Divas? Bo state September 9 o Himalaya Divas palai hinchungoro omni right answer angka Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand o September 9 o Himalaya Divas ini palai. Next question. Which country has issued the maximum number of visas to Indian students in the year 2022? 2022 o bo country joton sei kubang visa karikhan chao India ni student rong bagai omni right answer angka USA. Next question. Who has appointed new United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights? Sabno chongjaka katal United Nations High Commissioner hisabe Human Rights ni omni right answer angka A Volker Turk. Next question. Who has represented India in Gastech Milan 2022 organized in Italy? India no sabo represent khaken chao Gastech Milan 2022 conference o abo organize angka Italy bo host country bo muitnarak di omni right answer angka C Hardeep Singh Puri sabongke bongka Union Minister Petroleum and Natural Gas tei Urban and Housing Affairs. Next question. India in collaboration with which country has organized cyber security exercise for 26 countries? India by bo country miliwoi organize khaikya hini shao cyber security exercise aro 26 countries participate khayo omni right answer angka B United Kingdom. India by United Kingdom a exercise no organize khaikya cyber security ni exercise. Next question. Indian origin Sheila Braverman has been appointed as the Home Secretary of which country? Indian ni origin means bini bumo hapano Indian ni khana Sheila Braverman bono appointment khaijaka bo country ni Home Secretary hinchungoro omni right answer angka UK ni Home Secretary hisabe bono appoint khaijaka. Next question. Which state government has launched an e-governance portal? Sept. Bo state government launch khaken chao e-governance portal Sept. Omni right answer angka A Uttarakhand government o portal no launch khaikya. Tinini current affairs session asang angka joto bayap sungna belakina hambai oma haite bo current affairs tei Tripura Static GK tei central ni GK rok manan bagai chini channel bai krangui tongdi kisa bell icon chini subscribe khai tondi tei like share bo khairi.